Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're starting another build. This is a small block Chevy and we are making a 395 cubic inch out of this block. So I was looking at this and I found something I want to show you. But look at these cylinders. This thing looks beautiful. Fresh bore and honed. I've built several of these engines and it's funny some of the things you find inside of the block where people lose tools, and I've seen it all. But look down in here. What are some of the things that you guys have found inside of the blocks? Like, what is that? How does that even get in there? It's hard telling, but subscribe to the channel, guys. We'll see you on the next video.